Good day. Welcome to GAWAKU Studio. In this tutorial, I will show how to make a plan drawing or sketch on a project site picture. The title of the drawing on this video is a project proposal of making a car garage using a steel structure and a polycarbonate roof. In this tutorial, I will use the Excel application and show a very easy way to understand. You just have to follow this video to the end and understand how to do it. Before we start, I hope you click the like and subscribe button in case this video provides informative and useful for you. Alright, we start doing it now. Open the Excel application, then click New, and open blank presentation. Now the process of inserting a picture of the project site location. On the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Picture, and go to Insert Picture From, and click this device. In the Insert Picture view, select the picture of the project site location you want, and click the Insert button. OK. Now your project location image is available for editing. The next process is drawing an image on the project site picture. On the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes and click Freeforms, Shape. You use this tool to start drawing the shape of the structure you want. Here is an example to sketching a column structure in 3D mode and how to make the finishing of the structure. For more details, observe and understand the movement of the arrow, step by step until completed. Process Group Image. Press Ctrl on keyboard. Click Image one by one. Right-click mouse. Go to Group, and select Group. Process of detailing the column structure. When the column structure is ready, you can copy and paste the same image, or repeat the same method to make another image. Once ready, move the image structure on the picture. If your image does not appear on the picture, click on the picture, right-click the mouse, and select Bring to Back. Process of sketching roof structure. Click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes and click Line. Repeat this process according to the shape and number as required. Roof structure detailing process. On the toolbar, go to Format, select the outline shape, and specify the size and color of your choice. Move the roof structure image to picture, one by one. Set the position of the picture in front or back mode. Click on the image, right-click on the mouse, and select Bring to Front or Bring to Back. Process Group Image. Press Ctrl on keyboard. Click image one by one. Right-click mouse. Go to Group, and select Group. Process of sketching the roofs. On the toolbar, click Insert. Click Illustration. Click Shapes and click Freeforms, Shape. Make a sketch according to the shape you want. To group the image, press Ctrl on the keyboard. Click the image one by one, right-click the mouse, go to the group, and select the group. Once done, use the tool on the picture format display. You can also specify the color resolution and transparency according to your suitability and preferences. Try to compare pictures before and after the editing process is done. Next, you can continue to print out. Or you can also save as your work in JPG, PNG, or BMP file format using Paint application. The method is as follows. Go to Windows Start, scroll down, go to Windows Accessory, and click on Paint. Once the Paint application is available, go to the Excel application. Right-click the mouse on the image, which you want to save as, and select Copy. Make sure the image and image you edited are in the group. Next, open the Paint application, go to the toolbar, select Home, and click Paste. Here, you can edit the image and determine the margin size of your preference. If you are satisfied, you can continue the Save As process. Click File on the toolbar, go to Save As, and select the file format you want, and click. On the Save As display, give the image a title, and specify the location or folder the file will be saved, and click the Save button. OK. Done. I hope you can understand and can do it perfectly. Maybe you need a little practice to dominate this technique. If this video tutorial provides knowledge and benefits you, as a token of appreciation and thank, you can click the like and subscribe button on this video. See you in another episode. Thank you. From GAWAKU Studio.